Friends, first of all, you look at this channel, whose minimum monthly earning is $26, which is 2,000 dollars in Indian rupees. Now look at this channel, whose minimum monthly earning is $100, which is 8,000 rupees in Indian rupees. And this channel has earned the maximum up to $400. Earning is that too, within just 30 days, which is 5,340 in Indian rupees. Have you ever wondered how this channel earns so much money when it only uploads songs on its channel? And with this, let me tell you that this channel is also 100% monetized, which you can see here. And if we talk about the views, then you can see that their Lofi songs are getting millions of views. Friends, I have written a lot on this topic earlier also. I have made videos in which I have told you how you can upload Lofi songs on your channel without copyright. You people have liked these videos a lot, but still I have some subscribers who are having problems in making Lofi songs. So I thought, why not bring a permanent solution for this? So friends, today I have brought a permanent solution for you all. If you create Lofi in that way, then I guarantee that on your channel, neither portion. There will be no copyright strike or copyright claim, and your channel will also be 100% monetized. Friends, in this video, I am going to tell you everything step by step. Here I will show you how to create Lofi song as well as make Lofi song on YouTube. Let's start the video. I just have a request to you. If you like the video, then please give a like to the video. So, first of all, let me tell you that I'm going to divide this video into 3 parts so that you can understand everything well. If you can, then in the first part, we will learn to create Lofi. So first of all, you need a music to create Lofi song. Where should you get it? Let me tell you. For this, first of all, you need to have Chome 1 music in your mobile. You have to play. Then, you have to download the music you like from here. Then I will play it once and listen. It is good, so I will download it by clicking on download. Now, you will say that, sir, why have you taken English song? Here I'm telling you the same method which these channels use to make Lofi songs on their channel. So first understand it well. Then I will tell you how to use Hindi songs. Don't think that this is an English song. Just watch the video completely. You will understand everything. So now that you have downloaded the music, now you're again getting an option of Google too. You can click on it. You have to open your music file. After opening it, you have to click on the submit button. Now you have to let it process here. So now our process is complete here. So let me tell you that now our song has not been made as Lofi song, it has just been converted to 8D. So now a download button is being shown here. You have to click on it. Now to identify it, we will write AD in it, so that after downloading, if we can identify it, then now we download it. With this file has been downloaded. So now I will tell you what you have to do next. Now you have to come here again. You have to click on the slot end here. You will get an option of river. You have to click on it. Okay, after clicking on it, you have to click on the browse option again, but this time you have to select the AD file and open it. Now here is our AD. The file has arrived, so now you have to click on this submit button. Now it will convert your music into Lofi song in a few seconds. So now our Lofi song has been created here. So now you have to click on this download button. If you want to download it by clicking, now we have created our Lofi song here. So now we go to step 2, where we will do some editing in it. For this you can use any editing application which you like. I'm going to use kamaye here. If you also want to use it, then you have to download it from the website and open it. After opening it, you will see an interface like this. From here you will You have to click on the Create New button. Now from here, you have to select the 16:9 ratio. Then click on this Create button. Now from here, you have to first go to the folder containing image assets. Here you will find many background image. And here you have to search Lofi. Now you will get many images related to Lofi song. You have to click on any image you like from here, then click on this download button and download it. So now we have image has been downloaded here. Now from here we have to download one more thing. For this you have to search here snowfall. Then you have to click here. And from here you have to select the video option. Now you have to click here. You will find many snowfall videos, whatever you like. You have to download it from here. Now here we have downloaded both the things, so now you have to come back here and bring both of them here. So for this you have to click on this layer icon and then click on this media option. Now from here you have to select and open the image which we had just downloaded. Now our image is here. So now you have to again click on the icon of this layer and then click on the media option. Now from here you have to select and open the snowfall video which we had just downloaded. Now our video will also come here, but right now there's a black screen in this video. So what do you have to do to remove it? You have to click on the layer of this video. Now some options will start showing on your right side. Here you will get an option of blending. You will click on it. Now here you will get an option of screen. You have to click on it also. Now you can see that the black screen has been removed from your video. So now we have to bring our Lofi song here. So for this you have to click on this audio option. Then from here, you have to go to the folder where you have kept your Lofi show. Then you have to select it from here and open it. Now our Lofi song is also here. Now you have to export it from here. Then you have to select any one resolution from here. Then click on the Save as Video button so that this Lofi song will be saved in your mobile's gallery. Now I will tell you first this. Let me play it once, and then I will tell you how you can convert Hindi song into Lofi song instead of English song. Let me tell you that all the channels I showed you in the beginning of the video are all my own. They upload only English Lofi songs on the channel and take Lofi songs from all the pick websites. Because the songs on this website are absolutely free, you can search the song in any way here and create a Lofi song from it. That is why they think there is neither copyright claim nor copyright strike on the channel. If you do not want to take any risk, then you can create and upload Lofi song on your channel in this manner. Now those who want to make only Hindi song as Lofi song. So let me tell them that for this also the process will be the same. I will just tell you from where to get the copyright-free song. For this you have to click on YouTube 3 dots. Then you have to click on the search filter. Now from here you will see it. You have to select the Creative Commons option and then click on the Apply option. Now you can use any song from here to make a Lofi song. So now we have learned how to create a Lofi song here. So now let's go to step 3, where we can download Lofi song in the right way. First you have to click on this Upload button, then click on the Select File button. Now from here you have to select Lofi song and open it. Now here, the most important thing is the title, description, and thumbnail. For this also you do not need to think much. You will get a link in my description. You have to click on it. Now many options will come on your right side. Here you will get an option of YouTube 2. You will get this. You have to click on it. Now you will get an option of title and thumbnail. You have to click on this also. Now some kind of interface will appear in front of you. Here you will get an option of enter user keyword. Here you have to write Lofi. Music video for work study. After writing this, you have to click on this create button. Now it will give you 10 unique title ideas in a few seconds. And when you scroll down a little, you can see here. Yes, this has also given you ideas for thumbnails here. Whatever title you like, you have to copy it from here and bring it here and paste it. No, it is not made for kids. You have to select the option, then you have to click on the next button from here. After this, you have to make it public and save it from here. I hope that you have liked this video, then please like this video. Give a like and subscribe to the channel to see such interesting videos. So let's